Okay guys, what's up? I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a 16 to 18 KX450f. It's really the same as all the KX450fs, but this will just kind of give you a more specific look. I was actually surprised. I've got a video up on the 15 450 and the 17 250f, but I didn't even realize for the longest time that I hadn't even done a video on the 16 to 18 Gen 450. So here it is. You're going to need a drain, a liter of oil, a 8mm and 14mm socket. I like to use my Motion Pro timing plug wrench to get my filler cap off, and there's my oil filter, which I believe is a 116. First thing you want to do, obviously, with any oil change, is warm up the bike so you get any sediment off of it. It easily drains out. First thing we're going to do is pop our filler cap, which I like to do with my Motion Pro. Alright. Okay, so Kawasaki lists in their manual 2 drain bolts. I have this Acerba skid plate on here that the guy had before me, and he actually stripped out one of the bolts, and I haven't bothered fixing it to get it off yet. So I can only get to the main drain bolt, which is honestly practically nothing ever comes out of the other drain bolt anyway. So just you can drain them both, but you're fine just hitting this main drain right here, and that's your 14 mil. Alright, got that draining now. Make sure you find a Christmas popcorn tin to drain it into. Those are the best. And while that's draining, I'm just going to talk to you about oil. I've normally been a synthetic guy in the past, but the guy I bought this from was running just regular 1040, and I just want to leave it like that. I've been hearing better and better things about regular 1040, and if you listen to Chris Kiefer or anything, he swears by the stuff. And if I just change it a little more often, save me a lot of money probably on buying synthetic oil. So I'm going to try it and see how I like it, see how the clutch feels. With filter removed, it's supposed to be like 980 milliliters. This is 950. So I'm going to put this in and then just a dab of some I've got left over. So now for the oil filter, it's right there. Oh, got my 8 mil. Ooh, that was loose. I think I changed it. Alright, so there's our filter. Looks pretty grungy, pretty old. Glad we changed it. Alright guys, it uses a 207 filter. Now make sure you pay attention because in the past all the KX450s have always used 112s. And now they use 207s, which is actually the same as the KX250f. So you can push that in there, you can kind of feel the seal go in against the nipple in the back, it pops in. And looks like we're done draining. So go ahead and put the bolt back in the bottom. I'm going to put this cap back on very gently, pushing one bolt in at a time, threading it each so I don't cut the lip of the cap. And then we'll fill it up with oil. Alright, so you definitely want to check your O-ring on your filler cap. Mine is shredded. It didn't happen just now, so it must have happened with the owner of the bike before me. So sadly, I don't have one of these O-rings with me for this model, so I'm going to order one, but I'm going to have to do without it now, and we'll hope it doesn't leak. Alright guys, and that does it for changing the oil in a 16 to 18 KX450F. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.